In this video, you will learn how to create a form in Zendesk. First, log into your Zendesk Admin Center with your admin credentials. Then, click on the admin icon or the gear icon in the left sidebar. Under the Manage section, click on Tickets and then Forms. This is where you can manage all the custom ticket forms. In the form selection, click Add Form button to create a new form. Add the field that you want to use in your form. Zendesk supports several field types, including text areas, drop-downs, select boxes, date fields and upload files. For each field, you will need to configure the field name and the field description to help customers understand what information is required. Set field types. This can be text, drop-downs or dates. Make sure to set the field requirements for your information. Zendesk allows you to add conditional logic to your form based on the information provided. For example, if a customer selects a particular option in one field, you can show or hide additional fields. This can be added. Click on the field and select Conditional Field to set up this rule based on its answer with other forms. Once you've created the form with all necessary fields, click Settings and click Save to store the form. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.